Hi YouTubers, welcome back to Madison Square. I'm Madison, and I just wanted to give you an update on my hair. It's been 5 months since I did my big chop, and I wanted you to see how well it has grown. I've just laid low for a little while, but here is I got color in my hair now. Here is my hair with a little bit of curl to it. Side shot, a little bit on that side. And also, this is my first color video, so I'm excited about that. I wanted to give you girls something to look at and explore for the holidays. So I have on my sort of like a festive green, it's a teal, and my earrings, and I also did my lashes. And the products I used this time, Icy's hair polisher, wonderful product, and Icy's olive leave-in. It's a conditioner for damaged hair, and since I color my hair, I thought that was a good thing to do. What I did to achieve this look, I rodded it just a little. I used the purple rods. You know, when we used to have a jerry curl, I used the purple rods. And what I did is went ahead and put my hair into the rods. Sit on the dryer. I'm not good with that dryer thing, okay? So maxed out at an hour. Probably would have had a little bit more curl to the ends had I not gotten from under the dryer so soon, but I can't do the dryer thing too long. And once I put these products in, I just put a little bit in my hand, rub it in, kind of moisten it so I can wrap it around the roller. But there's no chemicals in my hair. Remember, this is the all-natural phase that I'm in. And I rodded it, stayed under for about, like I said, about an hour, maybe an hour, 15 minutes after I was done. Then I got one of those plastic little small peak type combs and just fluffed it out a little bit, and this is the finished results. Like my little short, it's like a short curly fro, and I'm loving this look. Last time I was like real short. If you need to reference back, I'm at Madison Square under All Natural Black Hair. Madison is Mattison, and Square, one word. But anyway, ladies, y'all can do something like this for the holidays, and you won't have to get into the weave and everything, because this is a little classy, a little elegant, and you can accessorize. Once you accessorize, of course, you polish up your look. And I did me some little eyelashes this time, and a little gold and the green for my shirt. So thank you once again for supporting me here on Madison Square. This is all natural black hair. I'm trying to stick with this and let my hair grow longer. So as I progress, I'll update you. Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas to all.